Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here. Today I am up for the Kellybell Designs creative team. I'm having a play with the At the Springs Dining mini kit, and the title it's Springs Dining Kit. And I'm documenting our dining adventure at Planet Hollywood. And so the funny story about actually making this layout is I was looking through our photos of our dinner adventure, and I realized I had pictures of Nick's burger and Nick's milkshake. And those are the two things that Nick still, 6 years later, still always goes for at the restaurant. So I thought it was kind of humorous that I had pictures of those. So I decided to pull this layout together for Nick's album. I'm starting with these 3 beautiful pattern papers layered one on top of the other, bordering each other, and then added the little heart scatters in the digital collection. I also have the little rectangles printed so I know where my photos are going. They're not quite centered. And then you also saw at the beginning the circle of stars that I created in Photoshop. You could also create them in Silhouette, printed on a 13 by 19 paper with the registration marks, cut it out, and ran it through the Silhouette as a 12 by 12, cutting all of those stars as one piece. It didn't quite come together at one point, but that's fine. We're going to still work with it. And then I also, as you can see, printed out some of the food elements that were in the At the Springs kit, and the little plate and silverware and the cutting board. So we're just going to do a real circle themed layout here. Here you can see where I've already adhered the photos and the journaling. One little note, the journal card I created very simply with items in the kit, and I will share a more detailed video about that very soon. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll catch that when it comes out. So what I did was I used foam adhesive for the photos to give them lift off that beautiful background. And I'm also using pop dots for all of these stars. So, of course, that's going to take a hot minute. I'm going to run that at a little faster speed. But basically, my thought process was Planet Hollywood is sort of this flashy, cool place, actually. This particular location is housed inside an old planetarium. And they literally built the dining room floors inside the dome, so you're somewhat cantilevered into this outer space feeling. And then they have music videos playing on the inside of the dome, and the wait staff sings while they serve you, and it's just a fun, casual time. But I thought the stars were really fitting for this occasion, and just a lot of fun here, actually, with the background pattern paper that has the little banner shapes, the wood grain, which I've repeated, of course, in the stars, because there are sort of brown stars. I love that. And then also the brown shows up in the cutting board. And then that sky, of course, representing the dome of the building. And so my idea with hybrid layouts and with scrapbook layouts in general is to give you the feeling that you are experiencing that moment again, that moment that has been documented in your photographs that's now going on a layout. I had a moment of indecision here, trying to fill out these stars, this kind of framing here. Originally, I was going to put the little plate and the silverware kind of on top of the cutting board, but I decided to put it on the left-hand side instead. Tell me if you think that works. So now there's kind of three main circle elements among these stars. The Planet Hollywood logo, of course. That is the piece that comes from Title It Springs Dining. Look for those in the Kellybell shop. If you have a specific place or location that you're scrapbooking, the Title It series is a great place to look for those logos and, or, similar kind of logo things that will help round out your layouts. The other title I used was the Disney Springs title at the top of the photos. It's kind of a secondary. I did make it smaller than the Planet Hollywood title, just so that you knew where we were at, kind of. And so it also, again, is filling out those stars a little bit. I mentioned that the star circle didn't quite come together, and where I put that pretzel and that ice cream at the top left is where it didn't quite come together. You get to know my little secrets here. And so what ended up happening, because when you adhere something floppy, it might not always go where you wanted it to go, especially with those sticky foam dots. But it kind of makes it, I'm not sure if it's really circle or square or no kind of shape. I don't know. But I think that adding the little food elements helped to round that out really cute, and I really like the way that it ended up. So let me know down below what you think, what your thoughts are about this layout. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I'll have links to the product down below, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.